Hello everybody and welcome. Wow, 1,000 subscribers. I never thought I would see the day. Obviously, now as a YouTuber, I'm going to have to start thinking like a YouTuber to develop the channel. Maybe I'm going to start speedrunning installs. Nah, maybe not. Ooh, how about getting some super slow-mo of Modbus communications?
Hello there, I'm
the intrigued engineer.
We're
crazy about Modbus.
Boom. Boom. Oh, wow. Look, you can see it.
Bit crashing.
You can see it.
Oh, you can as well.
It's really
It's slowed down low.
It's probably going less than half of its.
Board rate.
Still going through the glass.
Well, to be fair, that would be pretty cool. I think I'll stick to what I'm good at. Control systems and programming. I've been away for a long while. A cheeky week deployment turned into a 6-month nightmare. But much to my wife's horror, I am back. Coming home to smashing 1,000 subs for such a niche channel is still blowing my mind, so I just wanted to make this video as a thank you. This channel is all about hopefully giving you guys and gals all the resources I wish I'd had when I was getting into professional engineering. So if there's anything that you want to see or see me do, just let me know in the comments. Hopefully we can grow this channel together as that resource. Think memes and Modbus, but less sad. I mean, what can't we do with a literal legion of fans? Of course, I'm talking legion in the terms of the later Roman Empire, when the legion was dropped in size for easier provisioning. You see, you just don't get that kind of joke in other channels. This is gold.
You know what I'm saying? Jesus Christ, John, what the
I digress. Thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.